So to add Instagram to TikTok, you need to simply open up your TikTok app. The process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So simply open up your TikTok app. Here we go. Now go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. This would open up your profile. Now you need to go and tap on edit profile button. Here you can see. And once you're here, at the bottom you can see Instagram. In case if you are unable to see the Instagram, you need to change your account to creators account by go and tap on these three dots at the right top corner. Go to manage account, and here there would be an option to switch to creator account. That is really simple. You need to just go and select the creator, and it would ask for the category. Select that and your account will be changed to the creator account. Go back to the edit profile to add the Instagram link to your TikTok bio, and here go and tap on add Instagram. What it would do is it would ask you to log into your Instagram account. You can either go and provide the credentials here, or you can continue with the Facebook if your Instagram account is made from Facebook. And once you log in, just simply allow the TikTok, and your Instagram profile link will be added to your TikTok bio. So hope by doing so you will be able to do so, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.